Imagine a collapse that gives no warning. A sudden chain reaction where everything you built desolates in seconds. Millennia ago, a man named Job faced the ultimate test of human endurance. He lost his wealth, his health, and all his children in a single day. His response became an ancient blueprint for mental survival. He did not deny the trauma. He wept, shaved his head, and then he worshipped. Welcome to Aeterna.scripta. Today we decode the code of resilience in the midst of divine silence. The messengers arrived with no time to breathe. The oxen, the camels, the servants, all gone. Then a terrifying wind from the desert brought down the house over his children. Soon after, his own flesh was violated by a terrible disease, covering him in malignant sores from head to toe. Job stood up, tore his robe, and shaved his head. This was honest grief, not artificial numbness. Yet, he refused to sink into nihilistic despair. He declared, "Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked I shall return. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." In all this, Job did not sin. In the pitch black of isolation, Job broke the silence. He cursed the day of his birth. He did not fake a generic strength. But his greatest battle wasn't physical. It was the psychological gaslighting from his closest friends. They claimed extreme suffering must equal hidden sin. They tried to erase his history. But Job chose the agony of an unresolved mystery over the convenience of a false confession. He preserved his identity through an honest vertical dialogue with the transcendent. Then the silence broke from a whirlwind. God did not present a conceptual justification. Instead, he expanded the field of view with profound rhetorical questions. He questioned Job about the foundations of the earth and the architecture of the cosmos, exposing the limits of human cognition, shifting the focus from the microscope of individual pain to the telescope of cosmic order, generated ultimate resilience. Job realized that if a monumental universe is under wise control, individual pain is not chaotic chaos. It holds a hidden meaning. This is the Aeterna blueprint for your modern crises. First, authentic integrity. Refuse to negotiate your inner truth to please external moralistic narratives. Second, honest grief. Process your wounds openly. Repression causes emotional necrosis. Third, intellectual humility. Release the obsessive need for control. When you do not have the full map, let your mind rest in a greater order. Protect your identity. If you seek wisdom that time cannot erase, subscribe to Aeterna.scripta. The journey through the ancient map continues.